Hey guys, welcome back to Iqbal Kitchen Cuisine. Today we're sharing a special, delicious, and mouth-watering vegetable vermicelli noodles recipe. It's colorful, healthy, incredibly tasty, and so easy to make at home. Perfect for breakfast, lunch, or a quick evening meal. So, let's get started. Ingredients: coriander leaves, onion, cabbage, carrots, capsicum, green chilies, vermicelli. First, slice all the vegetables into thin strips. Now place a pan on the stove and add enough water. Bring it to a rolling boil. Once the water starts boiling, add the vermicelli along with 1 tablespoon of ghee. Cook until the vermicelli is about 50% done. Drain the vermicelli immediately and rinse it with cold water to stop the cooking process. Set it aside. Now heat a pan and sauté the sliced onion for about 2 minutes. Add the capsicum and carrots and cook for another 2 minutes. Next, add the cabbage and mix everything well. Another 2 minutes. Now season with red chili powder, turmeric powder, salt to taste. Add the chili sauce and soy sauce, then mix everything well and cook over medium heat for 2 minutes. Now add 1 tablespoon black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 cup of water. Mix everything well. Add the boiled vermicelli and gently toss until it is well coated with the vegetables and spices. Keep the flame on low heat. Finally, add the chopped coriander leaves. Cover the pan with a lid and let it cook for 2 minutes. Your delicious vegetable vermicelli noodles are now ready to serve. Serve hot and enjoy this colorful, flavorful, and mouth-watering dish with your family and friends. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, share, and subscribe to Iqbal Kitchen Cuisine for more delicious recipes. Don't forget to leave a comment. I'd love to hear your feedback. Thanks for watching. Take care, and Allah Hafiz.